Hello students, I am again here to discuss the chapter 3 of economics, money and credit. In last video lecture, we have discussed about the barter system and double coincidence of want and then what problems faced under the barter system. To solve the problem of barter system, double coincidence of want, that money was invented. Now we are going to discuss that different forms of money. What are the different forms of money? There are two forms of money, old forms of money, modern forms of money. In olden days, when currency was not introduced, then grains and cattle they were exchanged. Later on, some silver, gold, copper coins were introduced to exchanging the goods. And in modern forms of money, there are different concepts that check, debit card, credit card, demand draft, coins, rupee. So these are the different forms of money. Why money is accepted as medium of exchange? The reason is that with money a person can purchase anything of his choice. Because it is not necessary that always both the parties want to sell and buy each other commodities. So when they face the problem, money solve their problem, because with money they can purchase whatever they want to purchase. The currency is authorized by the government of country. In our country India, only Reserve Bank is there who issue currency notes on the behalf of the central government. As per Indian law, no other individual, no person, no organization is allowed to issue currency notes. The law legalizes that no one can refuse to do transaction in money. And the reason is that the rupee is widely accepted as medium of exchange. Now dear students, have you ever think that what do people do when they have extra cash with themselves? When people have extra cash with themselves, they deposit money in the bank. Why they deposit money in the bank? The two reasons are there. One, their money is safe, and another reason is they get interest on the deposit amount. This deposit amount they can withdraw anytime when they require. And this is also the another medium of exchange. Some basic terms are check. What is check? A check is a paper entrusting the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name the check has been issued. What is the utility of this check? Why these checks are used as a medium of exchange? Because by using check, payment transaction can be done without the use of cash. It is very safe transaction of money. Another is demand deposit. Person, they open an account in the bank, deposit the money in the bank, and from that deposited money anytime they can withdraw. That's why they are called demand deposits. And this is also the another form of money. Now assignment. What is barter system? What is the main feature of barter system? Why money was invented? Name the different forms of money. What do you mean by check? And last is, what is the utility of check?